Come. No, not you. Come. Kwanu! Isn't she the winner? Isn't she the winner? Good. Today, she has been chosen, being the winner of this contest, as the wife to my dear son. That was my initial promise. And I also said that other prizes will follow. And I hereby say that she will be given a cash prize of 300,000.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, thank you.
Yes, you've done well. You've done us proud.
My daughter. Mama, I'm so proud of you, my daughter. Everywhere. I know you can't tell me.
They were all thrilled. If you see the way they were clapping, if you see the excitement.
I'm so much proud of you, my daughter.
Mama, your daughter is too successful to be a failure.
I know you can't fail me. I know.
Cannot, Grandma Wallace.
Sister, I'm so proud of you.
Sweet.
So you are going to be the queen of this land.
Yeah. That's not the plan. It's not even in the agenda. The thing is, I'm not even in love with the prince. Secondly, I have a lot of things to do with my life. Not love, not anything. Mama, you know I'm tired. After all the dance or do easy, let me go and take my shower and rest.
My dear, don't worry. Let me go and prepare something delicious for you. This calls for celebration. You made me proud. Never. Oh. Come on, let's go. Let me go and prepare.
You have to talk to sister. She must marry the prince.
I know she's joking. She will.
Go and prepare something delicious for her because she made me proud. Never.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Hey, can't you guys greet? Eh? So you can't greet? I told you my hand will touch you.
It was here. I'm sure they will not be far from here. This is the place that they caught her. I'm very sure. they didn't succeed in raping you. What is wrong with all these useless boys now? Eh? They will not go and look for what to do. Let's go.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take any nonsense thing, she know they take she is beautiful.
Ujungwa. Uju. Please come. Please go in and get me my drugs.
I will bring out this house today. Eh? Where is Ogene? Where is that your stupid useless daughter?
Nemo.
Ogonye bu nne one. But I said, where is your daughter? Simon Nem.
Bia, Nneka. So I am not too small for you to even greet. Ajugangi.
What is so special about this money to greet you? What is good in this money? Eh? Look at my brother. Look at Osita, my brother. Ndo. Is this looking like my brother? Look at what your wicked daughter did to him. Eh? Is he no greeting? Greeting for what? Where is your sister? Where is your stupid sister?
Ujungwa. Mama. Did your sister have any involvement with this?
Stop this nonsense now, this woman. What is involvement? Awesome involvement. So I came here to listen to this nonsense you are saying, this rubbish. Yeah, but alright, there's no problem. No fault. We are all in the same umada. I will get her. Where I meant there. Look at what she did to my brother. Who does that nonsense?
Oh, sister. Nemo. Because you will get that.
Let's go. And that's for your daughter. Then I'm coming back. Because the only thing that will save her in this village is to leave this place for me. Anywhere she see me, let her be running. Because the war has started.
Bia. Oh, sister. Nemo. Bia.
Look at my brother.
Bia.
Mama, don't stress yourself.
Let them go. She cannot do anything. Ojianu. Because I'm dangerous. Eh? She's supposed to look at my brother.
She can't do anything.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you? Ujungwa, Mama, I ask you again. Did your sister have hand in that?
Mama, listen. It's not what you think.
Hey!
Mama, you are just confusing me. Sometimes you talk as if you don't know your daughter anymore. Okay, let me ask you. Will sister just see that small boy and start beating him on the road just like that? Mama, you're supposed to ask me, Ujungwa, what happened, not to conclude with her.
I will not even ask you what happened. If that should be the case, she, Ogene, has no right to hit that small boy like that. Why? Ogene. Hi!
Mama? Mama, so you are supporting her? Eh? Okay, fine. Maybe if they had succeeded in raping your daughter, I guess you love that.
This again.
Mama, I'm done with this conversation. Let me go and...
What did I hear? Bia. What did I hear you say? Rape or what? Hey! Who is raping who? Hey!
Neka bo. Well, look where you are.
Rape.
Neka no.
Ogene.
Why does everywhere look so serene, deserted, catastrophically silent and impudently abandoned? Was there a catastrophe here or a cacophony? Which is right? A cacophony and a catastrophe are the same. Is anybody at home here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
My husband.
How are you?
They're fine. And how about yours?
Oh, the good Lord deemed it fit to keep them strong, healthy, and vibrant. You did send for me. I hope all is well.
No, all is not well, no. My children, they want me to die. They want me dead.
So what happened?
Ogene, my daughter, she went and fought with Osita, and he was badly injured. They brought him here not too long ago before you came. And there was bruises all over his face and even head.
Ogene.
I don't even know what to do.
How can she engage in a fisticuff with a male? What was she thinking? Anyway, where is she?
She's not around. I don't want anything to happen to them. That is why I try to avoid them on things like this. They're the only joy that I have left.
Calm down, speak no more. What I will do is to launch an intensive investigation into this saga, so that I will determine the cause and the abrasiveness concerning the problems. Do you understand?
That has been my prayer.
If not for the velocity of the sun, which I fathom should be at 100 degrees centigrade, I would have gone into action immediately. But I will look for a cool place where I will rest my head and gather my medulla and be able to do the needful. Do you understand? All right. I shall be on my way now.
So soon?
Oh, yes.
I have food on the fire. Let me go and check whether if it's ready.
Oh, no. That won't be necessary because I am filled. Like I said, do not worry. They shall not get into any trouble. Do you understand?
Okay.
I shall launch an intensive investigation. Do you understand?
Okay, now.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you.
Where is Mama? Inside. Welcome. Thank you. Has she taken her drugs?
She has. Did she eat before taking the drugs? Okay. Sister, what is it? Wait. Do you know that useless boy came here with his sister? For what? She said that, Mama.
Oh, yeah. Go on. Clap for yourself. As you have with her. Keep feeding her with information. Eh? And you think you are above the law? Okay? Did you see what you did to that boy?
Mama, which side are you? Eh? Which side I'm your daughter? You don't even ask me what happened.
No matter what happened, when you saw that your sister was okay, you shouldn't have hit that boy like that. That is all I'm saying.
Mama, I'm surprised. I can't believe you're saying this.
Surprised?
Yes.
Yes, why won't you be surprised?
Mama, do you realize it could have been your own daughter?
Again, I'm asking, must you fight for people? Both of you are all I have left though. If you continue like this and they harm you, what will I do? The heart of men are evil. If you don't know, I don't want to lose both of you. You are my source of happiness. Big woman.
Mama, I've heard you.
Big woman, stop fighting.
Mama, I've heard. Let me go and make you drink. Hey. I don't like the way you
Hey, shut up. So I should allow her to be fighting with people? Always fighting. This one will come and give complaint, and another person will come and... What kind of person, girl are you? Okay, always fighting.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, now lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, now lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the bandila. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. God is with you. But be careful.
Now, for now, give me this thing. I don't want to. Don't make another person do. Now for you.
Like a SS. Go.
Hey, Jack Lolo, onye nkem.
Oge nene.
My personal person nenu.
Oge.
Onye mu na 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 mma.
Oge nene.
What is going on?
You don't see me now.
You are enjoying life, oh.
You don't see her now. I dey here.
Bros, well done.
You don't see us now.
See, I was going somewhere now. When I saw you, I decided to greet you. There's something I will tell you, Sha. But all later.
Play me now. Which one is later again? Now tell me.
Later, nge buru go.
Give me the thing now. One smoke. For real?
Wow.
I believe you died. She said she wants.
Correct girl. Come on.
What? Is this what you do for a living? Eh? Others are there working, doing something meaningful with their life. It took Reba and Esibo. I can't get you about this. Nah, guy, let me go. I have to leave now. Do you understand?
No problem. We'll see later now.
Hey, but why are you guys smoking like this now? This hot weather, no count.
This thing they give me inspiration. You no go understand.
They give you inspiration.
Building my morale.
Morale to do what?
To hustle, man.
Nah, be keep on iberibe. Come on, Emeche, don't forget to gist today, as I told you.
No wala na.
Inspiration Igbo, basically inspiration.
No wamo.
Yeah, inspiration ndumbuka na.
No wam.
Inspiration tireti kego malawi.
No wam.
Now what kind of insult is this now?
My friend.
If not for you, what have I done to this girl, eh? Can you imagine that for what now?
Myself, I cannot imagine, but what will I do? She be my friend. Leave am, she don't go, leave am. And my friend, I leave am. I cannot imagine too, but may we leave am.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God.
Ejike, please come.
What's happened now?
Come.
I hope you're okay.
Come. No, see. See, I need your help now. I need money.
How much?
1,000. I need to buy drugs for my mother. She's not feeling well.
1,000. 1,000. Your mother is 1,000.
You don't have?
I don't have any money.
No. What is it?
She said that her mother is sick and she needs 1,000.
Give up now.
Ogene.
Huh?
Ogene, come.
Yeah, come.
Give her the 1,000 now.
I can't find my money.
You can't find it again. Give her the 1,000 now.
I'm telling you the truth now.
Which money are you looking for? Give her the 1,000. How much is
I was having some money with me.
How much is the money?
It's 20,000 naira.
21.
And it's 200 by is a means.
You have 20,000 with you. I don't know.
That is not the case now. I don't know.
Is this what you're looking for?
Where did you find it?
I saw the money on the floor. And I was like, who dropped this money here? Nukega. Quick friend just said, you have to be taking it.
You have this kind of money with you.
So I just decided to pick it and come and ask you people if any of you is the owner.
Udo, so we have
No
this kind
one.
of money with you.
Take.
And we are eating bread.
Aye.
Come now, come and take the 1K.
No, don't worry, I don't need it. Don't worry, just when I talk. Mayo.
Give me the 1K, I'll go and give her.
Don't worry, I don't need it.
Come and take 1,000 now.
I don't need it, so just make up a better.
Give me the 1K now. You don't already scored the 1K. Give me the 1,000. Let me go and give her. Give me the 1,000. Give me the money now. Let me go and give her.
My mother is not happy, and the thing is really making me angry.
What is she saying?
She's complaining, She's complaining that I'm fighting too much. You know how these people look for my trouble in this village? I try to maintain my lane and but these girls won't let me be. My mother is now complaining that I fight too much. If not for my mother, Mana no go every day. But because of her, I decided to take a chill pill. Yet she's still complaining. On her part, I have won before.
See, Ogene, you be my person. You be my good friend. I no go feel like give you. You're more than a very nice person. Everybody for this village can vouch for her character. Everybody loves your mother for this village. Your mother loves children. And you love children too. That make everybody still love you. So no go change that impression where people don't already get from where you there.
Love. Ichichum, you talk small talk, love past 20 inside. I not be your girlfriend though.
Chopagi.
I know be your. I be you don't turn to pastor. I dey vex. I know I dey hate intimidation for my life. I know they like take my eye. They see where they intimidate person for nothing. And I'm so bad draw. Kanaba.
Take care of yourself, I beg.
You too take care, but I'm not happy.
Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. Again, walk somewhere. Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Like all lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates.
Ever well empty, yo, ever well empty. Today. Look at this girl now, beautiful girl. Eh? Make way for the girl with Sabine and Gordon. Who be that? Eh? Baby, come and give me a hug. Come on. Hey. What dear? Why is your face like this? Eh? Why is your face like this? Come on, talk to me. I've never seen you in this kind of mood before. Get here, Messi.
Baby,
Eh?
Ogene dealt me in this village. Oh, now one. Ogene now one. But don't worry, I will teach her a lesson she will live to regret.
Chelugodi. And who is Ogene in this village? Where is she from? Whose son or her daughter is she or he? On her son name?
My love, bother not yourself. For this matter is not your assignment. The subject matter bent to urinate, and I do the same as well.
Wait,
I will let her know that I have been accustomed to this way of life long ago before I'm going to go
Mana Chelugodi. Who the hell is this Ogene? And how did it happen? From where to where and from how to how?
It's Osita. Osita, my brother. Oh, God, go to your own brother-in-law.
What happened?
Oh, we almost killed him.
No, don't say that.
Almost. She saw him on the way. Because she knows that she's big and she feels she can hit him.
The Ogene is big.
Not very big, very big. She's bigger than Osita, my brother.
Okay.
Yes, and she danced with him on Titaya, and my uncle says, on Titaya, she completed blue, black, green, pink, red, yellow.
Ofonye.
Just my brother.
You think I can ban?
I swear, Titaya, is your book. Am I a bandage? Who does that?
Now this village,
My baby.
where I'm still alive? Hey!
She'll
I
get
don't
it
know
hot
possible.
from you.
No.
She'll get it hot from
I don't know possible. Who the hell is Ogene? Kebu CCB Jebonye. Eh? On my son name. Now this village, Ebendendo. Ogene is beating somebody. Come marry think I can pan. Kunya bandage. Now Ebendendo. Hey! I don't know possible.
Baby, I'll deal with her.
Just watch how I scattered Ogene's meat. Ogene is dead. Ewo maduta. Hey!
Yes, very well.
You will not escape my wrath in this village.
Okay now.
One stupid idiot in this village is trying with my emotions. Can you imagine? You know how much I love to protect Nega and the brother Osita?
Yes.
And someone has the gut to beat Osita blue, black, and red.
In this village.
I'm telling you honestly, this.
Who is the best?
They said her name is. His or her name is. Yes, Ogene. Ogene.
Okay, what? No. Are you sure this information is right? Ogene, I know, cannot do such a thing.
Ejike, please, I'm so much
in
in a hurry.
Now, let me tell you now. Calm down first now. I'm trying to control you.
Wait.
You are going out of control.
Do you know the person?
Listen now. Ogene, I know. The only Ogene I know in this village cannot do such a thing. Are you sure this information is right? It's not possible.
Do you know
Ogene is that same girl that returned your money. Yes, now, even that they confirmed that the girl is a very nice girl. I can vouch for her character. She cannot do such a thing.
That same girl that day?
Yes, now, you even confirmed it yourself that she's a nice girl. It's not possible.
Is she the one? Or is there any other Ogene?
No other Ogene. Hide the knife first is doing me somehow. Ogene cannot do such thing. I was even coming to your house before I saw you this morning. But I was like, I will go back. Man, I will come back when your anger must have come down. Maybe tomorrow or next. Just calm down. Ogene, I can vouch for her character. She's not that kind of person. You even confirmed it that day. Now, she's a very nice girl. Please, calm down. Go inside first and rest. Please, calm down. Please, this your knife. The knife is doing me somehow. Hide the knife. Beautiful. Nice, beautiful. See, I will be going now. Come back tomorrow or next. When your anger must have come down, okay? I will come back next tomorrow, okay? Udo.
Neka ma. Walupaya waya ige maybe fair. Neka ma. Because walupaya waya ige maybe fair. Aye. Ona diga koko. Imebalu ife melody.
And at the end of that street, there's a road by your right and by your left. So once she come, she must take her right. Then I will attack her from the left.
If she decides to take that left and you didn't know that, you will know that she's coming.
Baby, Ogene is not that smart. She can't. She will not. Yes. Just make sure.
I don't know. From my own thinking, she might decide to take that left. I mean, the place you're going to dodge first.
Maybe you be at the right. Anywhere she takes, let's just make sure we attack her. That's all. Just very important.
No problem. Let me tell you something.
Because walupaya waya ige maybe fair. Aye. Ona diga koko. Imebalu ife melody. Ige maybe fair. Ona diga koko.
Baby, make sure you do as planned. Lead her through this way. So if you lead her through this way so that we can catch her and deal with her. Please, I'm very serious.
I'm listening.
Duli Agabasa is that this way. I need to deal with Ogene myself. No mistakes, so do not forget.
She will soon be here now.
Alright, baby. Just sit there. What is it?
Okay.
What is it?
Where are you going to?
I'm going to...
See, those girls you saw, they want you dead. So run as far as your leg can carry you. Go see. Back. Okay. Stop in the situation. Go back. Run.
Susan, from the look of things, I believe in this place. Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. Oh, my father said he has discussed with one of his brothers, so I will be joining him. Oh, I'm really miss you. Like, I'll be alone in this village.
I'll miss you too.
Okay.
Who is after you?
Nobody. It's really important. I have to go now. Later. Oh.
What is it?
Nothing. I hope all is well. Hey. Maybe she's going for a meeting. But the way I like her, she's such a nice girl.
Yes, I like her so.
I like her. Let's go.
Thank God I see you. Where are you going to?
My dear, your friend helped me out, so I'm rushing to the house.
You mean Udo helped you?
Yes!
The one who picked his money.
Yes, I have to go now. Oh?
Udo?
Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. Okay, then work somewhere. Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates me.
Yeah, you're too much. I hear you. I know how much you love that family. Yes, but don't take anything to the heart. Just take it that everything you did it for me. Okay?
Ejike, why is it that sometimes you talk like someone who doesn't have sense? For me to do that kind of a thing, that should tell you something. Your brain should tell you something.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Yeah? Okay, now listen, I'll make you understand. See that girl? I like her so much. And I have very deep feelings for her. So don't even play that prank on me. Don't joke with me on that side. Because the last time I asked you if you have feelings for that girl and you said no.
No, I don't.
Now you're trying to play smart on me.
I don't have anything. No. Don't worry yourself.
I know you.
Listen.
No, Ejike, I know you.
No, don't.
I know you.
Listen, I have no feelings for her. Okay. I have no intention of having her as my girlfriend. Have it at the back of your mind, okay?
Are you sure?
You have nothing to fear about. I'm giving you my
Now, let me tell you something. You're my guy. Yeah? You're the only one I can be giving some kind of information. Yeah? So I want you to take the info now and deliver it. Okay? You see that girl? You know I like her so much. Yeah? And I don't want anything to happen to her. So please, help me pass this information. Yeah? Don't make her. She's a very bad girl. Please. I've been watching her moves. And if I don't watch her very well, mark her, as in giving her close marking, she might hurt that girl.
You're right.
So please, help me tell that girl to be very careful. Okay? This information is very vital.
Alright, I will. Okay? I have nothing to fear about. I will tell her. I guess I have to be on my way. You know Moji now.
Okay.
You know Moji. I will come to your house. You not give me anything.
I know that's the next thing you say.
You know Moji, nothing.
Don't worry, next time.
I'm going to do you.
If you can always say next time.
Alright, I've heard you. I will tell her.
Okay. That information was very important.
I have been hearing so much, so I decided to come and hear from you, because it won't be good for me to believe outsiders and not believe my friend. And moreover, I know you very well. I know you can't do such a thing.
What I told you was exactly what happened. They changed it and started saying all sorts of things. Ask Ujunwa now. Ask Ujunwa. Ujunwa, my sister is saying.
Hey! Anyway, I just said I should come and see you, to hear from you. Huh? But just be careful. Be very, very careful. I have to be on my way.
Okay, let me walk you.
No. You don't have to go anywhere. As a matter of fact, don't step out of this house. You have to be very, very careful. Nneka and her friend, they don't like you. Those girls are up to no good. As a matter of fact, they actually sent me here to lure you out. Yes, I know. but it will not work. And I don't know what their plan is, maybe to kill you. My sister, you have to be extremely careful. Those girls are up to no good. But the problem is that I don't know the place, or I don't know. But I'm just assuming. But however, you have to stay at home. Please. I have to be on my way. Only take care of yourself, huh? Yeah? Please just be careful and don't come out. Stay indoors. Yeah? Sister, you heard everything.
Maybe fair. On a big coco, on a big coco, if a melody, on a big coco, on a big coco, if a melody, on a big coco, please, can't you forgive?
Mama, why are you outside? Mama, what is it? Why are you lost in thought?
Nothing. Where is your sister?
She's inside. Mama, don't tell me you're thinking about my problem with your sister.
Why would I think? When a nigga is after your life, she wants to kill you by all means. All she wants now is to destroy you. Can't you understand?
Oh, she cannot, Mama. Neka does not have the power to destroy me. That can only be possible if I am doing anything bad to her or I'm doing anything against her. But there's nothing she planned that will succeed. Don't worry yourself about anything. Everything will be taken care of. Biko, no harm to be, Mama. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and relax.
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here? Okay, I'll stay here together. Because I don't want you to be here.
She's bored now.
I called you because this issue is getting out of hand. I'm no more comfortable with the way they are coming after my daughter.
They still on her joke. This is very
disturbing is a smaller word to use. My daughter hardly goes out these days anymore. They either send someone to be watching her whereabouts, or they come out themselves. To crown it all, she's not alone. There are about 3 of them. What I'm saying is because before this thing will get out of hand, or they will kill each other.
This is very serious. This is absolutely unpleasant. I think the best thing to do will be to table this matter before the meeting, so that we will summon both parties and mediate in this matter, so as to resolve them and give them peace.
If this is the way to settle it, please let us go to Igwe. Let us go to
It will not be so.
Because I'm tired of all this.
It will not be.
I don't want to lose any of my children. Please.
The Igwe is away on a very vital meeting, so we cannot see them today. Maybe we will see it tomorrow.
Alright, if you say so. Well, thank you very much.
I shall be on my way. Do you understand?
I do. Thank you very much. These children want to kill me before my time, oh. They want to kill me before my time, oh.
I think I have to go and talk to her.
And you think she will listen?
Yes, of course she will listen. After several attempts of wanting to kill that girl, but all to no avail. I mean, she should find a better way to make peace with her.
Yes, you are making sense. You are talking good. But the question is Nneka ready to make peace? Didn't you see the way she's even releasing new plans that she will use? Didn't you see it?
Yeah, that's why it has to stop before it gets out of hand.
You're right. Okay. Still talk to her.
I will.
Okay. I guess I have to be on my way.
I'm going to go then.
I will come to your house later today. What if you want cola?
If you're going to be mad, we'll all you down on job.
If I'm coming to your house, I'll come with cola.
Yeah.
Why?
You come with cola.
You do.
Yele me bogi me nyero enyem. Udo yo. You go more than enough in my house. Yeah?
Year to year, not even one bottle of Fanta.
One bottle of Fanta.
You call me your friend.
Onyo guru kwanna. Obo onye guru.
You are getting at this too stingy. You are now becoming a stingy person.
Oh God, catch up on.
Neka no. Biko wala bayawa yo, ike maybe fair. Aye. Ona bigo koko. Mebalu ife melody. Ike maybe fair. Ona bigo koko. Mebalu ife melody. Ike maybe fair. Ona bigo koko. Please, can't you forgive?
Why are we always waiting for this girl here? At least we all know where she lives. We can just go and get out from there.
Felicia, calm down. Why your blood is hot? Relax. See, Felicia, whenever you want to do a clean job, you just have to be very careful. Yes, I know it might be difficult, but it will definitely happen. Calm down.
It will definitely happen. When? No, answer me when. Now I am beginning to get tired. Yes, I am getting tired. Felicia, so what do you want us to do? How do we pick her up? How do we get to that girl? How?
Because personally, I want to deal with Ogen in my own way. Yes, my own way. And it will surely happen. Ha!
Again. Anyways, it's good. It's a good thing that we are all in the same purpose. You see that Ogene, leave her for me. I want to get Ogene myself. I told me with that girl one-on-one. Facey, I will handle her person now.
I beg, give me cigar, make her smoke. I beg. If I smoke now, I go think. My mind go calm down. Cause like this, me, I don't even know what I want to think. So.
Please, can't you forgive?
Felicia, I don't think I can continue with this. Yes, I won't. How many times have we tried to kill this same person, but to no avail? No matter how many times we try, and how hard we try, we keep on failing. That means Ogene's hands are clean. Yes. I don't think I can continue with this. Neka and Belinda can continue. I'm out.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How may I help you?
Igwe, I want to bring it to your notice that my late brother's children, who happen to be my nieces, have been going through a severe war with some miscreants in this enclave. I will let their mother put you in the picture.
I'm listening, woman.
Igwe Gadio. Igwe, I came here to beg you to make peace between my daughter and late Mazi Oke's children. There have been a serious war between them. As a matter of fact, my daughter doesn't go out anymore again.
This is serious. Now, if I may ask, has there been any record of previous events or what actually has transpired between them before this hostility?
According to my younger daughter, Osita harassed them sexually by putting on a mask on his face. My daughter escaped to the house and now told her sister, Ogene, about what happened. And they quickly got to the scene, only to see Osita forcing himself on Esther, who just came down to the village to stay with her grandmother. Igwe, so that was what happened.
Arrow, this is an abomination. You mean all this happened?
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey, this is a very serious matter. Because of the gravity of this offense, I want you to bring your children here in this palace tomorrow morning.
Yes, Your Highness.
Guys, you go to let Mazi Oke's house. Summon the children to be here tomorrow morning. And also inform all the elders in council to be here equally. Is that okay?
Hi. Igwe, I have always admired your magnanimity. Kudos to you. Kudos.
Professor, you always know in good English.
Igwe, thank you very much, Igwe.
That's okay. We cannot.
Do you go will make them bring money for your treatment? You go because you could bandage,
No, sister. I don't agree with the fact of going to see the Igwe. Instead of seeing the Igwe, let's just forget about this thing. I mean, I don't have that strength.
For my dead body, will I forget about it? No, I will not forget about it. Oh, I will not even forget about it. What is it? What did it? Eh? Open the note tag, man, not tag. You know this about man the bandage. Also, we should forget about it. What's it that? Why are you afraid of going to the Igwe for his judgment?
Sister, it's not as if I'm afraid. The Igwe's judgment is one thing that I don't trust. You know the Igwe now, his judgment is always like this. So let's forget about this thing, please.
Don't worry, I know this will favor us.
Greetings.
Greetings to you.
Message from the loyal house. The Igwe requested both of you to come to the loyal house tomorrow morning. And none of you should keep him waiting.
All right. Hey.
Sister, do you have a hand in this?
Me?
Yes.
No, I don't. But this is interesting because I know that you will never be found guilty. You will never. Hey, can't say quoi? I'm coming. Let me get something inside, okay?
You all are welcome. I thank all of you for making time to attend this all-important meeting, which I believe will be for the well-being of our community. I summoned you here for us to listen to two of our children who have been at war with themselves for a long time now. Esther.
Igwe.
Can you tell us your experience with Ujunwa the last time you visited this village?
Thank you, Igwe. I greet everyone. It was one fateful day. Ujunwa here and I were coming back. At a point, 2 boys rushed out from a corner and demanded we keep quiet. We tried running away. They chased after us and suddenly caught me. Ujunwa ran to call Ogene. Both of them came to the scene and saw Osita here trying to force himself on me. Ogene picked a log of wood and hit him.
Just because she's bold enough. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Hey, can't you guys greet? Eh? So you can't greet? I told you my hand will touch you.
It was here. I'm sure they will not be far from here. This is the place that they caught her. I'm very, very sure.
That was what happened, Igwe.
Osita, you heard her. Do you have anything to say?
Tell me the truth. You didn't do it.
Speak!
You didn't do it.
Igwe, please, I'm sorry. Igwe, I didn't mean to do it.
Osita.
Igwe, please. Igwe, I didn't mean to do it. It is the devil's handwork. Igwe, please.
It's all right. You all heard him. Good. And this is my judgment. Guards,
Igwe.
seize him.
Igwe, please. Igwe,
please.
Igwe, I'm a very diligent in this community.
He will be transferred to the police.
Igwe,
please.
And that is my judgment.
Igwe, that's my only brother. Igwe, that's my only brother. Igwe, please.
Enough.
Igwe, please. Igwe, forgive me.
That will serve as a deterrent to any other person that would like to try that atrocious act. This kind of act should not be tolerated in this community. Now, you may leave.
Please have mercy. He's still a
Come
very
on,
small
go.
boy. Igwe, please. Igwe, that's my only brother. Oh, Igwe. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Igwe. Man.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the bandila. God is with you. But be careful.
Nah, HK, you and that your friend really try for. Hi.
You know, you are a nice person too. If you find yourself in that position, you do the same. I trust you.
Even my guy, even G. Thank you. So how is that your friend?
He should be in his house now. That reminds me. You know you have not thanked him well. Yes.
You think so?
Yes now, you have not.
Okay, let's go see.
Beautiful. Now you're talking. Let's go.
Hey, that guy is a nice guy.
Very nice.
So well, don't matter how you are.
Alpha, did you see? You won't believe what I saw. Okay, what did you see? Nega, Ogologo Padoro. Come.
Amae, Chinese of Banin and Wadi, your master. Yamara Toyota Moto, Adio Sansoe. Namu Beze, Adio Sansoe. Ogen and Wame, Adio Sansoe. Ogen at Tomugomo, Chibus of Bamunenu,
Wani, your master. Toyota Moto.
Oh, yes, Sansoe.
Now my daddy wears it.
Adio Sansoe.
Mercedes Benz.
Adio Sansoe.
Ashimane Mabala.
Ogenemo, Chibus of Bamunenu.
Wani, your master. Oh, yes, Iyama.
Ogenedi Nobi.
Oh, yes,
Sorry. Ogena Tomugomo.
Oh, yes,
Oh, mom. Because then you chalo.
No, I don't want.
You don't want?
Awesome.
Are you serious?
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside.
I should have known he is the reason behind our constant failure. I should have known. Ha! Now your brother is being locked up at the police cell.
Ogene. Because the war have just started. So, of all the boys in this village, it's my own boyfriend that Ogene wants to date. So she wants to snatch my own boyfriend away from me. Okay? Hey!
Let us start doing something. Hey! Action speaks louder than words. Let's start doing something on
My own boyfriend. You see that, Ogene? I will make sure I deal with her. If I don't deal with her, Oma will boom neck. She'll know that I am not a neck.
Let's do something. Yes, we just have to re-strategize. That is what we will do right now.
You see that, Ogene? You see that girl? If I catch her, let's think, please. Wait here. I will squeeze her. I will squeeze life out of her.
Ibiano.
Hey.
My guy, what will I offer you? Nemo, what will I offer you?
I'm supposed to have been here yesterday, but something happened.
I want to thank you for always saving my life. I don't know what I would have done without people like you in this village. Severally, Neka has tried to kill me for no reason. I cannot explain. Eh? Thank you so much. Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. Believe me, there's every reason for the impression I used to give to you.
So tell me, let me secure my future, Biko. Are you having cough?
No, I am. Don't worry, my dear. Soon, you'll be seeing them graduate.
Okay, if you say so.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Protection nenuwa.
Oh, yeah, son,
Now my daddy wears it.
Oh, yeah, son,
Ashi wanne mabala. Oh, yeah, son, Iyoma.
Ogene kedim nobi. Oh, yeah, son, Ejike wanne mabala.
Oh, yeah, son,
Iyoma. You should join me now.
That serves her right. At least next time she will learn her lessons.
My father told me how shocked he was. You know, sister did not narrate the whole story to them. My dear, I'm really happy that you got your freedom from those girls.
It's not by my power. It's not by my might. It's just God that saved me. Do you know how many times these girls planned to attack me? I'm telling you.
Hey.
Thank God for that Udo guy. Yes, because he was the one that made my movement safe for me. I was not leaving the house now.
Are you serious?
He's even here. Udo.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, how are you?
Talk of the devil. I was just talking about you.
You don't mean it.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah, Kekunume. Good. Wow. Okay. Good day. Okay. Please, can I see you?
Okay. Later.
No problem.
All right, later.
Just stay out of trouble.
Thank you.
Guinea.
The both of them.
What about them?
Can't you see? I think he loves her.
Amebo. You can't do one. Biko.
I'm only saying what I saw. I can see it's written all over him now. Look at the way he's looking at her. You understand?
You have a son in your house.
Anya love.
You have a son in your house. You need to plug out your eyes because you don't see things clearly.
Why would you take a woman and say he put on your I want a man if these two people now
Any nonsense thing.
I hope no threat of any kind has come to you since that day.
Not at all. Thank you. All thanks to you and HK. You guys really tried for me. I don't know what I would have done without you and HK. You guys are like a brother to me.
What? Did they just say brother?
Does that sound odd? Are you not like a brother to me?
Anyway, it's okay. So can we go to my place now?
Not really sure. I left my house since and my mother might be worried about me. So let's do this probably tomorrow. Does that work for you?
It's okay, no problem.
But promise me, no smoking.
I promise.
Let me go back to my friend.
At least can I get a hug?
Hug, Chineke. Alright, I'm going bye-bye.
Okay. Happy.
It's beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, I'm loyal for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
Uju! Please get me my drugs. Oh. Why is Ogene not back?
I don't know.
Rush to Adana's house. Tell her that I want to see her now. No. Fast.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
My dear, guess who approached me today to ask for forgiveness? Neka. Yes.
What did you say to her?
What do you want me to say to her? After watching her cry profusely like a small baby, I had no option than to tell her I've forgiven her. Yes, but we'll never be friends again.
Neka. Neka of all people apologized to you.
Yes, she did.
Sister, there's more to that. And you have to be extremely careful.
I will. Let's go. You needed to have seen the way she was crying profusely.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside.
She actually came and apologized for her actions. She said she's sorry for everything she has done. She really sounded very remorseful.
Dr. Monty, listen to me. I know Neka more than you do. She can't possibly be sorry if she doesn't have eggs in her basket. If you can listen to me, Ogene, do not make friendship with her.
Ogene, make I tell you, you know say I'd always dey support you for everything wey you dey do. You understand? I'd always dey support you. But I don't see anything where that girl go give you where you no go fit afford yourself. So this is a pattern of reunion. For me, you know pure.
See, she apologized. She said she's sorry. I just said, okay, I've forgiven you, so she will have rest. She seemed so restless. I just told her I've forgiven her, but I understand what you people are saying.
Ogene.
I'll be careful.
Ogene, I have told you.
I've heard you, I'll be careful. I'll be careful. So I have to go now.
Alright now.
One, bye. See you people later.
Take care.
One.
Mwada anunti.
Cha kwa.
Biko wala kwa yayo, ige maybe fair. I'm not big or coco. I'm not coco. I'm balu ife melody. Ige maybe fair. I'm not big or coco. I'm not coco. I'm balu ife melody. Ige maybe fair. I'm not big or coco. I'm not coco. Please, can't you forgive? Ige maybe fair. inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is beautiful, inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is bold enough, on with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough, on with the dealer. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Like I said, I will come and talk to her. This is not a good idea at all. If I may ask, what was she thinking?
As I'm talking to you, I'm so confused. That is why I came to see you. You see this one, I'm never in support of it. But you know my sister. She will always say, I'll be careful, I'll be careful. But I'm so scared of her life. I don't even know her plans.
Don't worry. I will come and talk to her, eh? Go home.
Please, just do it for me.
I will. Count
It's a
on
promise.
me. It's a promise. You can go now.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ona diga koko, ona luga kuna. Imegwalu ife melodi, ige nebi kwife. Ona diga koko, ona luga kuna. Imegwalu ife melodi, ige nebi kwife. Ona diga koko, ona luga kuna. Please, can't you forgive? Ige nebi kwife. Ona luga kuna.
Yeah, Susan. Susan. Wait, oh, am I too small? Or you've gone blind to notice me? Look at who is that. You think I'm that jobless to notice every fly that passes by? I don't understand. Wait. Are you referring to me as fly? I can't remember seeing any other person here, apart from you, idiot. Now, listen attentively. Let today be the first and the last time you will stop me on the road and open that smelling gutter you called mouth to talk to me. Thunder fire you! Thunder fire you! How get out? Let today be the last time. Because she knows she's here, poor. Get out! She knows she's here, poor. How get out? Get lost! You will not do anything. Look at you. The only thing you have is mouth. You cannot do anything over there. You cannot do anything. Get lost now. Come on, she knows she's here, for Biko. Get out! Get out! Away from here. How can I get over there? Nonsense and ingredient. Okay. I'm a little able to give you. I know what your problem is. Just because that your useless elder brother is a soldier. That's why you think you can talk to anybody anyhow. No wahala. You said that your brother come and run and walk from. They will kill him. He will go to fight for and they will kill him. What about you here? Idiot. Fool. Don't worry. Take your stars. I am in a good mood. Belinda is in a good mood. Nata.
Okay, then what karata? Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. Okay, then what?
Children, your husband.
Don't worry. I will tell you all about it.
myself. Next time.
Well, why don't you tell me now?
I don't want to spoil your mood. Don't worry. Thank you. You have done much already. You have done much. Don't worry.
Please, get me a broom or tell me where I can get a broom. Let me help you and tidy the place.
You want to help me? Okay, I can come in. What is your name?
Uchi, but people call me Ogenema.
Ogene.
Ogene? Ogene? Chai, Ujunwa, your sister has chosen to kill me before my time. I don't know what I have done to deserve this from Ogene. Chai, Jim, you must be quiet here. No problem.
Mama, you have to calm down. She'll be back.
She'll be back. She left this morning, she went out. This morning up to now, she's here to come back. And you're telling me that she will come back.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold enough. One with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. One with the bandila. God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful,
What is it? Is this not how I do it? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
No. You did nothing wrong.
So why are you crying?
I cannot remember the last time someone did a favor for me. Everyone has been calling me a witch. Even my children left me. Yes. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm doing my food for the past years. For more than 30 years,
smile. I feel loved. I understand and feel your pain. I'm sorry for all you've been through. I promise to always come here from time to time to help you do things. Just know you have me. I'll always be here for you. Oh, be strong. It's okay. If I die today, Mama, you will not die. I smile for the last time. You have me. You can count on me anytime, any day.
Mama, why is your face like this now?
Why is my face like this? So you have joined hand to even kill me before my time, Akwe?
Mama, why are you talking like this? God forbid.
Where are you coming from?
I told you that I went to see a friend.
Which of your friends? Which of your friends?
Mama, there's this woman. Her name is... Mama, in fact, let me leave this story. It's a long story. I will tell you some other time, but not now. Because you're angry.
Since morning you went out. You're just coming back now.
Now, boy, is that why you're angry with me? Eh? What was that one?
That's always making my heart pound all the time. Because I was so worried. I don't even know what you have even done outside now. Because the next minute they will bring complaint that you fought. You are fighting. So why won't I even be worried?
Mama, I didn't fight today.
Lekwede. And you are proud to say that I didn't fight today. Must you fight?
Mama, I'm sorry. Tell Mama how much I love her. Mama, stop pretending.
My heart has been pumped.
Angry. Okay, I promise I will not make your heart pant. I will not keep you worried again. I will always be a good girl. You know I love you.
My heart was pounding because I was waiting to hear now they will bring one complaint or the other now.
There's no complaint, Mama.
You know that this was all I have left to.
Mama, she did not fight today.
All I have left to. Without you people, you know that I won't even survive this life.
Mama, don't worry. You worry too much.
I worry because you people
all I have.
Any nonsense thing, she not a better no. She is beautiful.
Udo, oh, you are here. Everything now. Udo.
What is it? What do you want? Why are you shouting my name like a mad person? Are you mad? Eh?
Really?
What is it?
Udo.
See, listen, let me tell you. Eh? See that girl? You people should drop your plans. Do you understand? I would never allow you hurt her. That plans of yours, drop it.
All you just said now is just total nonsense. You come rubbish. Let me tell you, this war have just started. You and Ogene should get ready for me. You will not escape me in this village. Nonsense. Hold on. Get ready for me, oh. Just get ready. My guy can't talk if nonsense.
Don't go and look for something. Go down. Come on, in my vicinity.
Neka na. Walupa ya waya ige me bife. Neka na. Bika walupa ya.
I am going to win you.
I will win you. You can't win your teacher. It's a lie. I will win you. Pass. It's not possible. It's not possible.
I'll have to go.
Why now? Why do you want to spoil our fun? Because of my sister. Never mind, we go, let's continue.
Is she angry because I'm here?
She can't be angry because of you. Let's continue with her. Do you want to spoil our fun because of her?
No. I have to go and see my brother.
Oh, what is you?
I'll probably give him soon.
How long is he still going to be there?
We still have about 4 months to go.
I'm so sorry.
Oh?
I'm so sorry.
No problem. It's not your fault. Besides, what he did was so wrong. So I'm sure by now he must have learned his lessons.
I'm sorry. Alright, take care of yourself. Don't cry.
No.
Where is this girl? Ujunwa! Sister, come. Ujunwa, why is your face like that? What is it? Why did you not greet Nega when you saw her? Why should I greet her, sister? That girl is up to something. I mean, how can she be here laughing with you when her brother is in cell? And you are the cause of it. Is that why you didn't want to greet her? Eh? She's up to something. See, let me tell you. I understand your fears and worries. But if we see man and one nigga in your bag, I'm very watchful and careful. Moreover, Nega cannot do anything to me. Because I've not done anything against her. You can't trust that girl. She's up to something. And it's very, very obvious. You have to be careful. In fact, stop her from coming to our house. Stop talking to her. I don't like her. I don't want to see her again. Aww, somebody is scared for her sister's life. So you don't want me to die. So you love me this much. You know, I'm sure. I don't know I'm this important to you. Sister, it's only you that I have. You don't want to suffocate. So you are very, very important to me. Same here. I love you, my beautiful kid sister. Okay? And you're all I have. You and Mama. So I will always be careful. Game one, I can't see. What am I don't know you love me like this.
Don't worry. I'm a million member. You won't have me. Don't worry.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar, no.
Okay, I am here.
Mama, it's like this your sickness have started again.
Don't worry. I will soon be fine.
Your body is so hot, Mama. Have you taken any drugs?
It is only fever. I'll be fine.
Okay, Mama, just give me a few minutes. I'll be back. Please, it's really important. Please, I need 2,000 naira. Please, it's important.
I don't have any money.
Ejike, please now. It's really important. Biko, no.
But all I have here is 2,000. I'm giving you 1,000 so I can hold myself to 1,000.
Yeah, but just give me the 2,000 naira now.
What would I hold myself with now? Let me just give you 1,000 and hold 1,000. All I have is 2,000.
Oh yeah, give me Nkobuna. Give me.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is good.
Mama, I brought the dress for you. Yes. Okay, you need to take it. Have you eaten something? But don't worry. It's not that important. Oh, Mama, lie down. There's no way I will allow you to take these drugs without eating something. You can't take it on an empty stomach, Mama. Okay, did you cook? I said don't worry. I will eat like. Mama, it's not advisable to take this on an empty stomach. Let me quickly prepare something for you to eat, Biko. You go to gym, man.
Ejike, if you really care about Ogene, this is the time to look after her.
What's make you to talk like this?
Okay, see, I confronted the Neka, and I think her plans are due. She's planning to do some silly things to her.
Neck again? Huh? Neck again? Why you always like to call this neck when we talk? I have told you many times, distance yourself from this neck and make all this cloud clear. For now, we need to day by jumper to monitor this neck to know her next move.
You can never know that girl. You never know that girl.
Okay, you will know the girl. How do you suggest we go take follow her? How do we monitor? How do we follow her? You will know I'm passing.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
What is it? Are you okay? Why are you screaming? What is it?
I had a terrible nightmare. Thank God it's a dream. I had a terrible nightmare.
Mama, what happened in the dream?
Okay, now my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
I think you have to keep between you and Neka.
Mama, what happened in the dream?
I saw her push me inside fire. Hey.
Are you serious? It's not my portion. It's not my portion. She won't do anything.
Hey, Memo.
Anything to you. But you don't have to be scared now. It's just my dream now. Oh, you can borrow malaria and make you so. Just relax. Lie down and sleep.
Is that all you have to say?
Mama, I need to continue with what I was doing before I heard your scream. You know it's early in the morning.
So you can't pray against this dream?
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates.
Because you care so much about you that I personally wouldn't want to hear anything happen to you.
Why is everyone sounding like I'm dining with the devil? I know God loves me. I know God is with me and nothing will happen to me. Oh, Ogene, we know God is with you.
That is the main reason we are telling you to stay away from that girl. Mind the kind of places you go, the things you do. I mean, that girl is no good for you. I'm a how.
We're all sounding like this because we love you so much. And we wouldn't want to see any harm come to you. We just want you to be careful. Please.
I appreciate your concern. Don't worry, I'll be careful. Oh?
Just be careful. I'm a because I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. Okay? I can't watch. I won't know like you now. No more sister. So let me go and bring the porridge yam. I'm a mega I like ya. Let me bring yam.
You cannot do it in a human being. I'll go and see. Not Yala. Don't shut up. Tell me the idea. Oh, you answer. Some woman.
Any nonsense thing, she not a better no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She gets me just.
I just wish Ogena will stop her association with Nneka. I have this feeling that she's up to something.
I don't know why Ogene feels that Nneka will not hurt her. Who does not know Nneka in this village? My mom calls her White Witch. Amuswacha.
I pray Ogeden doesn't get into trouble soon. I pray so too. She's not just our friend, but a sister to us all. The more reason I pray that her faith leaves her out of this.
But we all have to watch her back all the time. We really have to watch her back.
You are right. But what do we do? Okay.
Something just hits my head now. Oh, they might be. I have a problem. I want you to go and look for a very evil man that is working with you. Remember the plan now. Remember, when you get him, take him to a dream vibe. The moment you get there, you go. Calm down. Why? The world has ears. Yes, just calm down. Whisper to me.
Necky. Eki, calm down. They go hear her.
Don't worry, Nothing will happen to her. Everything is going to be fine. Do you know that everyone have warned her from that same girl, but she wouldn't listen. So the best thing for us to do is to leave it for God. Our faith will see her through.
So do I. Thank you for everything. Thank you for always being there to advise her, to even talk to me sometimes.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're sisters now. We're not just friends. We're sisters.
Thank you. Let me walk fast. Let me just go.
No.
Just go back.
Any nonsense thing, she not a better no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. One with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough.
Just do as you said, eh? Immediately you see us coming, you begin to act as if you're raping her. I will come, I will lead her through this part. Who's on calls her? I'll bring her there. Please, no mistakes. I don't want to miss this chance. It's very important. Eh?
Where are you going?
I'm going to get something.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just returning from the station.
Oh, okay. Okay, why not come visit me? I've been bored lately. Since my brother left, I've been I wish I can, but it's impossible for me. I have a lot of things to do at home. Okay, why are you sounding like this? What about me that usually comes to visit you? Does it mean I have nothing to do? I never said so. Fine. What if you come to my house and spend 30 minutes with me? That would be fine. Are you sure? Yes. Let's go. Please. Okay, but I will not stay for too long. Let's go.
Mama Ogene?
Oh, nice. Are the one much heavier?
Yes, it is all well. I was just passing by. I wanted to ask after your health. How are you feeling now?
I thank God. You can see that I'm moving around. I'm trying to even tidy up the house.
Oh, that's very good.
Let's go and sit down now.
Oh no, there won't be any need for that. Yes. Okay. What is this I hear about Ogene and Neka becoming staunch enemies?
Nine. Ogene, my daughter, doesn't listen to what anyone is saying. I have tried to talk to her the best way I could, but she keeps saying she will be careful with her.
Ogene needs to be very, very, very careful.
Okay.
That girl is dangerous. Right in front of her, her brother was arrested in the palace. That should not make her happy. Now I perceive that girl as dangerous and irrevocably unpardonable. If she is not well contained, that girl will cause a big catastrophe in this enclave. So Ogene needs to be very careful. Do you understand?
I understand though, but you could better talk to her. I have talked and she wouldn't even listen to me.
By the way, where is she?
She hardly stay at home.
Anyway, see to it that she sees me. I might be able to put a word or two into her medulla.
Because I will tell her to come and see you when she comes back. Maybe she might listen to you.
Yes, do that. Okay, I'll be on the move now. Remember I told you I was in transit to see the Igwe to discuss some salient matters.
Yeah.
Alright. Do you understand?
I understand though.
Alright.
Thank you.
Do have a nice day.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the bandila.
Let's go, Biko. Please, Okay. Hey! Okay, you just killed him. You just killed this young man now. Are you mad? Not opportunistic her. But you know the one that hit him with this thing. See. If you have killed him, accept that you're a murderer. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. In fact, I'm leaving. Okay, then come back here. You just killed him. Let me just go. Okay, then I'm going to quarter. I can't go quarter. Hey! Okay, then you just killed him. Hey! Okay, now come back here. Come back here now. Come back. Where's around? Come and see. Okay, then just killed him. Okay, then has killed him. Okay, then has killed him. People come. Hey! Okay, then you will come back home. The village will look for you. Somebody come and help her. Come and see. Okay, then has killed him. Hey! People come and see what okay, has done. She just killed someone. Okay, then. Hey! Okay, then. Hey, people come and see what Ogene did, though. She just killed him.
Igwe, as members of your cabinet in whom you have bestowed so much trust and confidence, we are wondering, can we not bridge the gap between Omoji and Obodugu?
I totally agree with Prof. The way the people of Obodugu are encroaching into our land and the way they are going, this might cause a serious war.
Yes, I totally agree. Igwe, I trust your magnanimity and good judgment. Kudos, Igwe.
These Obodoku people, they are really trying out my patience.
Hey!
What is it?
Igwe, the worst has happened.
What is it?
Ogene just killed someone.
What?
Yes, so Igwe. You will have to come with me so that you see things with your eyes.
Yes! You will follow her immediately.
Yeah. Let's go.
You think for yourself and bring me what? What is actually happening? Hey. What kind of thing is this? We're talking of Obodoku people. Now Ogene killing somebody.
are taking my daughter too. Hey, hey.
Is he from this community?
No, Igwe. I don't think I have ever set eyes on this entity before. I don't think he's from.
Igwe, I think he's from our neighboring community.
In that case, let's send a message to them immediately.
Igwe, if he's not from our community, then we should find out what he was doing with rolling in our community that led to his demise. Besides, my niece here, little as she is, could not have killed this man. She is not a murderer. But Igwe, my medulla tells me that the right thing to do is to give her a chance to defend herself. Yes.
Okay.
Igwe.
Can you tell us what actually happened?
Igwe, I can't do that. Igwe, I'm innocent. Nneka, please, for the sake of God Almighty, Nneka, say the truth. Tell Igwe how you killed him. Igwe, come to Igwe. I did not kill him.
I believe you.
You know me, Etike. I'm not capable of
me too, I know you. Okay, I know you too well. Remember, we are close. I know what you can do.
Tell Igwe how you killed him now.
Igwe, thank God I saw her. If not, she would have denied it. As I was passing, I saw Ogene here, hitting this innocent man, hitting him to death. She was killing him. Igwe, I saw her. Ogene, and immediately I screamed, Ogene, what are you doing? She took to her heels. She was running. Then I said, Ogene, come back here. Ogene, come back here. You just killed the man. Ogene, just killed the man. Because she did not answer me. She did not turn back. Ogene, why?
I do not believe you. Igwe, I do not believe her. She is sounding incoherent and distorted. I do not believe her.
Igwe, according to Nne, she said she was passing when she saw them. Igwe, we all know that one cannot go to Oji River alone. Please, Igwe, ask Nneka what she was doing at Oji River Road before she saw them, as she claimed.
Igwe, you are a man of wisdom. Your judgment is final. Igwe, we all know that Oji River grows good herbs and roots. For some time now, I've been going there to pick Icheku leaves for my brother's treatment. And thank God I didn't go alone. I didn't. Belinda was there with me. If not that she's helping me prepare herbs at home, she would have been here to attest to this. Igwe, please, ask her why she would kill this innocent man, this good man. Why would Ogene kill him? Ogene, why did you kill him? Why? Ogene is a killer.
It's okay.
God, Igwe is not true. Only heaven, you know she lied. God, you know she lied against me.
Enough. I've been listening to all of you and some of your corresponding testimonies. I come to this conclusion. You, Ogene, first thing tomorrow morning, you'll be taken to police station.
Let's be gone. I did not do.
Power will take his focus on you.
Igwe, but I'm innocent now.
Igwe, is that your final decision?
Yes.
Only heaven is my witness.
Walk out.
What is up? I am begging you to why you
The evidence is at home, but when the
You don't know her.
I know her.
Ogene is more like my sister. I know what she can do. She killed him. She killed him.
This is not over yet. This is not over.
Neka.
Ogene.
Neka. Do you understand? Neka.
I am going to release her tonight.
Wait, I want to take run am. You know, say plenty gas in that palace. I want to take run.
Are you going with me or not?
You know I'm always with you. I there with you full time, but how you want to take run am?
Okay, listen. One more thing. Huh? If anything should happen this night, promise me that you're going to look after her.
You are taking this thing too serious. But nothing is going to happen to you. Yes, you even know say Ogene na my person before you begin enter her. Now my girl before you begin enter her. So nothing is going to happen to you. Yes.
Sit and make I relate with you.
Ejike, I have a plan. You know I promised Ogene's mother I must bring her tonight. And I will do it for that woman.
It's called do for love. It's called do for love.
Now listen, let me tell you the plan. Come. Do you understand? Let's go.
Come, let's go. Come on, let's go. That's the plan.
Tell me, how did you say it happened?
Igwe, I heard a sound. And I went to check what that was. Igwe, when I came back, I didn't see her again.
You heard a sound?
Yes.
And you went. How come you left your position without seeking for a replacement? And you, what is that you're holding in your hand?
Igwe, Your Majesty, I found this when I woke up from sleep and I don't know who kept it. Your Majesty.
Igwe, can I say it?
Yes.
Okay, let me guess.
Try.
You want to take me to Dubai?
Hey! Stop!
Okay, let me think. I told you I don't like guessing. Okay. Oh, wait, okay, you bought keke for me.
Me?
I purchased.
I did not buy.
I didn't get it. Okay, I cannot guess now. I cannot guess. I don't know. I should close my eyes.
You close your eyes.
Okay. Closing it.
I hope you're not seeing anything. Look, see. Baby, I saw it and I bought it for you because I know you like it.
I love it. Hey! How did you know that I like Jamaica things? You got Jamaica?
Mboko.
Hey!
Wonderful. Hey, I love this. I love this.
It's fine on you.
What a one. Hey, I'm a rude boy. He hang the little kusikita, eh?
I love it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you. Oh, I love it. How you have money kusikita?
ECOWAS.
I know who took her away.
And who may that be, if I may ask?
It's Udo. Well, I'm sure he's the one.
Udo. Are you really sure of what you're saying?
Yes. I've seen this bead on his neck before. Who is Udo?
It's all right. Guards, go with her immediately to Udo's house and bring him to me now. Go. Ladies and gentlemen of the place, sit down. Let's wait patiently and see how this whole thing unfolds. Eh?
Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey. What kind of thing is this? Udo. Udo. Hi.
Please, can't you forgive?
Are you people, you are seeing that black gate there? You can see it now.
Yes, yes.
That is Udo's house. Oh, when you go there, you grab him.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Are
you not coming with us?
Me? No, I cannot come with you people because I don't want him to see me leading you people to his house. Oh my God. And just go. Oh.
She's right. She has a point. Don't worry. Let's go.
Be very smart, or you know he's a brave man. Eh?
I am so glad that you finally made it last night.
And it tells you that plan goes well.
Yes, it is. But the problem now is that I don't know when and how to see her because everybody's eyes will be on us and the family.
Yes, you're right.
What are you looking for?
Udo, the Igwe demands your presence now.
It's okay. You remember what I told you? Let's go.
That was how it happened. Nobody believed me, Mama, including the Igwe. They all wanted me dead for something I didn't do. Mama, I swear to God, I am innocent. I am innocent, Mama. I did not do it. God in heaven knows. God knows I did not do it. Mama, I did not. Okay, my daughter. I know you did not do it, but don't worry. Very soon, everything will be fine by the grace of God. Listen, you are safe with me here. No one will dare come here to look for you. Huh? You can stay here with me. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you for saving my life, Mama. I don't know what I would have done without you. God knows I'm innocent. I did not kill anyone. I did not kill anyone. I don't know. I know. I don't know what I've done to you. I cannot see. Please forgive my life, Mama. What have I done to the person? What have I done to the person? Fine, no? Well, this is too much. Too much. I don't know what to do again. Sorry. You don't worry, Mama is going to be fine. But this is too much. I don't know what to do again. She has been taking her drugs, but the thing is not working. Instead, she's getting worse every day. Don't worry. Eh? What do you want, man? Hey, Mama. Mama is okay, it's okay. She has been taking her drugs, but the thing is not working.
Anesthesia, I don't bring my daughter.
Mama. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will tell them to bring her. I will tell them to bring her. I promise. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. Just tired. It's just me and my mother. It's just me. I'm tired. Oh God, it's okay. Everything is going to be fine. Just take good care of Mama, eh? Don't worry yourself. I'll be checking from time to time. Eh? Thank you for coming. Everything is going to be fine. Let me be on my way. Mama, don't worry. The gods of Allah will not allow anything to happen to you. Huh? Okay. Oh God, Mama.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. Okay, then what someone? Any nonsense thing, she know they take her.
It's as if we saw this coming. We won't do again. But she wouldn't listen, stating that Nneka won't hurt her. Now look at it. Would have been arrested also.
My major problem is that her mother is sick. I just hope nothing happened to that old woman, honestly.
I've never seen or heard something like this. But something in me tells me that Nneka set her up and she fell for it.
Exactly. Exactly what I'm saying. It's a pure setup. There is no two ways about it. But, Chiregodo, who killed your known guy?
But he jumped, can't you know him?
Him and you MTN everywhere you go.
My sister, highest news. Now, if you mobile can learn, man, I resign to go. Happen can learn what?
Ewe idiot. Ewe idiot. Na mana ihe nka. Thank you.
Please,
behind him.
You check him, baby.
Yes, nobody is there.
You do not see him there. You did not see him. You did not see Udo.
Udo, let me tell you, keep hiding. Man, I'm walking and come. I will get you. You think I don't know you're hiding Ogene inside that house? He's hiding Ogene inside the house. Don't worry, we will come back. And I will come back with more guys. Don't worry. Keep hiding Ogene. This has not ended, Udo. Keep hiding her. Keep hiding her, Udo.
Nigga. Because when you buy a ride, you get maybe fair. I'm not big up. I'm not big up. You never look if I'm not you get maybe fair. I'm not big up.
I think Ogene is innocent.
I feel for her. Don't you girls think we should go and fetch water for the mother?
Let's go far. What do you think?
Okay. Honestly, I really miss her.
I miss that more. Let's just go and fetch water. Can't just wait to see her beautiful face. The way the emotion is disturbing this house. I wonder what it will become in the next 5 years. Maybe we will be.
Ogene wakaraka. Any nonsense thing, she know they take am. Ogene wakusonwa. Any nonsense thing, she know they take am. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
Adanna, Oluchi, Susan. All the kind of fear for yours.
Ah, you know.
My sister, please forgive us. Good afternoon, my sister.
This is when you remember those. I hope you are safe.
Greetings.
Mama, greetings, ma.
Oh, Mom. You're all welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Mama, how is your health?
I thank God for today that I'm alive. You can see that I'm still managing.
You'll be fine. I will get digging, ma.
Okay. Don't worry, you'll get well soon, yo.
Thank you.
Mama, Uju, we'll fetch this water for you.
Hey, whoa. Hey, whoa. Really?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, that's thoughtful of you. I really appreciate it. Would you, please go and show them where they will pour out the water. Ola, thank you. Oh, Mom.
She know they take am. Ogene wakusonwa. Any nonsense thing, she know they take am. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold enough. One with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. One with the bandila. God is with you. But be careful.
This is Ejike's house. Look for him here.
Ejike.
He must be here. Bring them out. They are there. Nonsense. Ejike. Ejike. Eh? Nobody. Did you not see even Ejike? No Udo. No Ogene. Nobody's here. Ejike, so this is your plan, okay? No, this is your plan. Ejike, I thought you are my friend. I thought you are my friend. So now you are hiding Udo.
no problem. I know your hideout. Down. I will look for you people one after the other. Anywhere you people are hiding, I will go there and grab all of you. Even if it's in the evil forest, I will get you. Ejike, hey! Okay, no problem. I will come back. Don't worry.
Please, can't you forgive?
From my critical observation, your health is fast deteriorating. And as such, it's going from bad to worse. I think the only thing we should do now is to take you to a hospital. Do you understand?
I don't want to go to hospital. All I need is to see my daughter, but...
Right. That is very allowed. That is allowed. You have just exhibited motherly instinct. It's allowed. I know you want to see your daughter. And wherever she is, she too wants to see you. But, nevertheless, we must address the issue at hand, which is your state of health. You are fast deteriorating. And we do not want to hear unpleasantries, do we?
I have heard what you just said.
Very good. Very good. In that case, I shall be on my way. Take it easy. Would you not? Take her inside and make sure you take proper care of her. I shall keep her happy.
We have searched everywhere in this community. We do not see any sign of Ogene.
Yes, Igwe. We did search everywhere. We did not see Ogene.
Well, you people have done well. But you have to be very, very vigilant. Ogene can run, but she cannot hide. One day, she must surface. Meanwhile, people should go and have some rest. Okay?
Igwe.
I'm innocent of all these accusations. I know I may be stubborn, but you know I didn't do it, God. I did not do it.
Yeah? And you think you're above the law? Apia? Did you see what you did to that boy?
Mama, which side are you? Eh? Which side I'm your daughter? You don't even ask me what happened.
No matter what happened, when you saw that your sister was okay, you shouldn't have hit that boy like that. That is all I'm saying.
Mama, I'm surprised. I can't believe you're saying this.
Surprised?
Yes.
Yes, why won't you be surprised?
Mama, do you realize it could have been your own daughter?
Again, I'm asking, must you fight for people? Both of you are all I have left. Though. If you continue like this and they harm you, what will I do? The heart of men are evil. If you don't know, I don't want to lose both of you. You are my source of happiness.
I don't want anything to happen to my beloved mother, Chukubiko. Help me. Help me and protect my mother from me. I should have listened to all the warnings. Now look at me. I should have avoided all these troubles. Oh, I know I'm good. Chineke gwọrọ m biko. Gwọrọ m Chukwu. Aga m dịkwa ọcha Chukwu. I am innocent, God. I am innocent. God, I'm innocent. Chukwu mara ka sọta.
We've been here for some minutes and you're not saying a word. Talk to me now.
Please, calm down. I will tell you now. I don't know how you feel. Please.
Tell me now. You know this place is not safe for me now. Let me go back. Sit down.
I know it's not safe. Just calm down now. This thing is heavy in my mouth. I don't know how to say it.
Tell me. However I take it, doesn't matter. Just tell me.
Okay, wait now. Let me tell you now. Just calm down. I don't know how you take this. I don't know how you feel. But anyhow you feel, it's just the wish of God. Just... Okay. Your mother is dead. Please control yourself. Please calm down. Please. Just take it, please. From crying. Stop! There is no amount of tears that can bring back the dead. It's okay. I know how you feel. Come, let's go inside.
Our life has grown. God, what have we done to deserve this? I've killed my mother, but that's the truth. My mother died because of me. I killed her. God, I killed her.
You did not kill her. Don't say that.
Mama, what am I going to do now? I must come back. Mama, I must come back. Always clear when
Mama. I don't have anything to get in this home. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. God, why? God, why am I suffering like this? God, God, you know I'm innocent. God, you cannot forsake me like this. Oh, God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this, God? Hey, God. Why do I have to go through this, God? Why? God, why? God, why? Why? Hey, get here to come into me,
Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. Okay, then what somewhere? Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is bold enough. Any nonsense thing, she not a taker.
What happened? Hey! Please, are you planning to die soon? Hey! Blender, look at this one. Eh? Remember what I told you now? This is the native fowl I was telling you about. Seriously, this one can well respect. Do you know that this girl saw me and ignored me as if I am one piece of an object that does not even exist? Even when her runaway sister, the murderer, tries talking to her. Oh, my sister. Why? I wish we were there to see how she squeezed her face like as if she was used for sacrifice. Well, look at her now. Look at her. Then look at her. Is she like? Does this girl look like she have life inside her? Let God the good then mirima. But wait, Neki, she's not saying anything. Why is she keeping quiet? Are you sure she's okay? If it's her late mother, that her lazy late mother, I will tell you she's quiet. But this one, I don't know what is her problem, and I don't care to know. What the my friend? Maybe she's hungry. That's why she's like this. You have a point there. You do. You go there. Ask her if she's hungry.
No, are you hungry?
Come closer.
Eh? Mama, say so. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Actually, I help the helpless. I know your mother is dead. And there is nobody to help you. Your sister, no, so she's on the run. I can actually be of help. So tell me what you want to eat and I'll get it for you. Talk to me now. Talk now. Imagine. Imagine, I'm even asking her question and she's ignoring me. Rubbish. Hey. My own food.
My dear friend.
Don't get
yourself so worked up. Man, as for this girl, she's very lucky that I've changed. Neka 1 in town. Oh, I would have used it for pepper soup, but don't worry.
Please, can't you forgive?
Adanna, so you mean to tell me that Mama Ogene is dead? Udo has been arrested and Ogene ran away as a result of this ordeal?
Yes, what is it?
Nothing. I am fine. But why won't Nneka let this particular family be? Why won't she? Well, I'm fine. I'm fine. I will see you later.
Please, can't you forgive?
This is the day we all have been waiting for. Today is a great day in this land. As we all know, the amazing dancing group that we all have been waiting for is performing today. And this same day, a maiden that comes out first will be chosen as a wife for my dear son who has been studying abroad. Not only that, the maiden will go home with lots of gifts and monetary reward will accompany it. Having said that, can the music start? Come. No. Kwanu. Isn't she the winner? Isn't she the winner? Good. Today, she has been chosen, being the winner of this contest, as the wife to my dear son. That was my initial promise. And I also said that other prizes will follow. And I hereby say that she will be given a cash prize of 300,000.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Yes, you've done well. You've done us proud.
My personal person. What is going on? You are enjoying life, oh.
You don't see her now. I did here.
Bros, well done.
You don't see us now.
See, I was going somewhere now. When I saw you, I decided to greet you. There's something I will tell you, Sha. But all later.
Which one is later again? Now tell me.
Later,
Give me the thing now. One smoke. For real? Wow. I believe you died. She said she wants.
Correct girl. Come on.
What? Is this what you do for a living? Others are there working, doing something meaningful with their life. It took forever and Sibo. I can't give you a what is it. Nah, guy, let me go. I have to leave now. Do you understand?
No problem. We'll see later now.
Hey, but why are you guys smoking like this now? This hot weather, no count.
This thing they give me inspiration. You no go understand.
They give you inspiration.
You do my morale.
Morale to do what?
To hustle, man.
Nah, be keep on iberibe. Come on, hey, Meche, don't forget to gist today, as I told you.
No, Wala.
Inspiration, inspiration.
No,
inspiration, no. Inspiration, tireti ego malaw.
Now, what kind of insult is this now?
My friend.
If not for you, what have you done to this girl, eh? Can you imagine that? For what now?
Myself, I cannot imagine, but what will I do? She be my friend. Leave her, she don't go, leave her. And my friend, I leave her. I cannot imagine too, but maybe we leave her.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice like honor.
Ejike, please come.
What happened now?
Come now.
I hope you're okay.
Come. No, see, I need your help now. I need money.
How much?
1,000. I need to buy drugs for my mother. She's not feeling well.
1,000. 1,000. Your mother is 1,000.
You don't have?
I don't have any money.
No, what is it?
She said that her mother is sick and she needs 1,000.
Nah, you give up now. Ogene.
Huh?
Ogene, come. Yeah, come.
Give her the 1,000 now.
I can't find my money.
You can't find it again. Give her the 1,000 now.
I'm telling you the truth now.
Which money are you looking for? Give her the 1,000, mister. How much is
I was
that?
having some money with me.
How much is the money?
It's 20,000 naira.
Where do you want?
And it's 200 by is a means.
You have 20,000 with you. Although I don't know.
That is not the case now. I don't know.
Is this what you're looking for?
Where did you find it?
I saw the money on the floor. And I was like, who dropped this money here? Nukega. Okay, friend just said, you have to be taking it.
You have this kind of money with you.
So I just decided to pick it and come and ask you people if any of you is the owner.
Udo, so you have
No
this
one.
kind of money with you.
Take.
And we are eating bread.
Hi.
Come now, come and take the 1K.
No, don't worry, I don't need it. Don't worry, just when I talk. Why you?
Give me the 1K, I'll go and give her.
Don't worry, I don't need it. Come and take 1,000 now. I don't need it, so just where don't want to be.
Give me the 1K now. You don't already scored the 1. Give me the 1,000. Let me go and give her. Give me the 1,000. Ogene, I know your hands are clean, Ogene. I know you are innocent. Nothing will happen to you. You are somebody I can vouch for your character. I know you can't do such a thing. Yes, Ogene. I know your hands are clean, Ogene. I know your hands are clean.
I knew she had stopped her involvement with Neka, but I wouldn't know why she's crying. When I saw her, I wanted to stop her, but on a second thought, I decided to let her be. You did well for allowing her finish what she was doing. I mean, the worst has happened already. I believe anything that would have happened now wouldn't have been greater than the one that has happened. So allow anyone to be. You don't know what is disturbing them. Let's go. I want to go and buy something. Where is your slippers? I don't want to wear this. Let's go now. Ujunwa.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. Okay, then where
I gave birth to 3 amazing children.
Hey, Mama, tell us a story about the tortoise and its 7 wives.
Mama, you promised to tell us how you met and married Papa.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know what will happen now? This evening, I will tell you people about the tortoise and its 7 wives. Then, tomorrow evening, I will tell you how I met and settled. But before that, you people will have to go and finish doing what I asked you to do. You, I told you to dress and sweep your daddy's room. And that container at the backyard, I asked you to fill it up with water. You, I told you to go. And none of you have done what I asked you to do.
Mama, the story can wait. Me, I'm very hungry. I think I should go and eat the remaining food in the pot.
Woman, dear.
Only, is it your food?
Every time your food is food. Okay, you want to eat, right? Have you finished eating? Not even started.
Woman, dear.
Please go and cook.
It's not only me that will cook.
Woman,
But you want to eat.
Yeah, Mama, tell us the story. I know
Go and dress your daddy's room.
Hey.
Go and fill the water. Huh? What do you mean, eh? Have you filled the container? You have not. Go!
Hey, Mom, that food, if they are done, just tell me. I know what.
I want me to tell you a story like this time. Come on.
You're looking beautiful this morning,
Thank you very much. I'm looking beautiful this morning, or as always. Which one do you like?
Today's one is special.
You can say that again.
You said you need money to buy more foodstuffs, right?
Yes, I needed money to refill our foodstuffs. You know, it's better to buy them in bulk than buying them one. We save money through that way.
Like, how much are we talking about?
I think 10,000 will do.
Mama, Ofo is dying.
Ofo?
What happened to him?
I don't know, he's at the backyard. Let's go. The backyard.
Papa! What is it? Papa! Woman, excuse me. Papa! Papa, please open your eyes. Papa! No, this can't be happening. Papa!
I really missed him.
We all miss him. Please don't remind me of him. No, but they're just trying to reopen and hold him.
Mama! Chibuzo, what is it? My baby! What?
Your tummy. What is up?
Chibuzo, what? Mama? Mama, Chibuzo, what is it? Chibuzo, wake up. Please, Chibuzo, you're my only sister. Chibuzo, wake up.
Go call your father. Let's take her to hospital. Please open your eyes. What is it? What is the problem? Chibuzo, Pico, no. Talk to your mother. Hey, run! Run quick! Hey!
Mama, I don't want to die. I want to live long and make you proud. I want to wipe away your past tears.
My God will not forsake me. My God will not allow me to be put to shame. And young one, nothing will happen to you. My God will protect you. You will live to the fullness of your age.
God, I still can't believe how my two children left me in less than 2 weeks. Oh God. Oye. Oye.
Save me.
What?
Oye. Oye.
Save me.
Oye. Oye.
I don't.
Oye. Speak.
Oye, no, don't joke now.
What is it?
Is this a play? Oye, open your eyes. Talk to your mother. This cannot be.
Oye. Hey.
Chima! Hey! Chima Julianumo! Chima Julianumo! Onye no kwa nyagi. Onye nwa mo. Uwo mo gugo Chima ye ka mejo. Chima Julame! Onye ka mejo re. Hey! Chima obi ka Julam. Chima rapulamo. So fukuro. Akukuro ya joni shupo. Hey! Okasi we Chima. Nah. My husband. My husband.
It was as if I am living in hell on earth. People called and labeled me a witch. They said I killed my own children. They said I poisoned my husband for him not to chase me away from his house. They throw stones at me. People throw stones at me whenever they see me. They later banished me. That was why I am living all alone in this forest. I have tried many times to kill myself. I don't know how I managed to survive them all. Sophie, Mama, I understand and feel your... This life... You don't understand. When I first saw you, I imagined you being my daughter. You made me smile. You made me laugh. You made me forget my past, my sorrows, my pains. But seeing you in this condition, seeing you heartbroken, brings my past back to me. You are too young to go through all this. You are too young to lose your parents. But what have I done? What have I done? Mama, I'm innocent. Everyone knows I'm innocent. Did you do me? You did nothing wrong, my daughter. I don't know what to tell you, but I want to assure you that you are not alone. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done to deserve this, God? God, why have you forsaken me? Why have you forsaken me, God? You've taken everything away from me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Mama, I'm so broken. I'm so broken. I'm so broken, Mama. Mama, I didn't kill anyone. God knows I'm innocent. God, wait! Why me? Why me? Why me?
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar, no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my God, hallelujah for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my God, hallelujah for. She is bold enough. On the
Are you okay? Or in Apple which of them? Eh?
Seriously, you look awful. Please, oh, where is your sister? Your strong sister that used to parade herself in this village like the strongest woman in the whole world. Where is she? Is she still on the run?
Okay, no, so on our wow, this sister boy. Let's slap you, eh?
I won't see her.
Just let me be. I don't have strength.
Oh, this one pain me. You don't have strength. My dear, are you hungry?
Hey, hey, hey! Now what is all this hula baloo? What is the hula baloo about? Now, what has this young, innocent girl done to you vampires that you seek to suck her blood? Now, before I close my eyes and open it, vituperate.
Hey, stop making noise, this man. See, let me tell you, it's not like we're afraid of you. But this one said, there is no blood for you. There is no blood. Oh, there is no. Eh? You need to tell your late mother.
Keep moving.
Nonsense. Let's go.
What atrocity? What compound atrocity? Are you sure you did not do anything to them?
I swear, I did not do anything to them. Okay, the other day, they came here and started mocking me. I just want to kill myself.
No, do not say that anymore. Because if you kill yourself, that is tantamount to suicide. Anonya bulonya, bulobong. My dear, do not ever think about that. Now, for a long while, I've been trying to persuade you to come and stay with us. There is plenty of space for you there.
I don't want to go. I cannot leave my mother here. I want to stay with her.
I have to get you away from those miscreants, those incompetent Mayis, those never-do-wells, those uneducated fallacies. Now, I don't ever want you to think about suicide. That is a wrong option to take. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now let us go in, okay? I will be there for you. Igwe, I am highly perturbed and extremely disenfranchised. Igwe, I have a complaint.
Prof, please, I'm all ears, but I beg you, make it plain. Do not confuse me with your big grammars.
I will try to digress as much as possible.
Thank you.
Igwe, it is about Meg and her friends. They
totally traumatizing and disenfranchising my little niece Ujunwa.
I still can't understand.
Earlier today, I was going to check on my niece Ujunwa. I decided to go through the Ukwaji path. Lo and behold, I sighted these nincompoops harassing, brutalizing and traumatizing my little niece. In fact, she was crying. It was appalling. Igwe, this is highly unacceptable. Highly unacceptable.
If that is true, it is equally unacceptable by me. All the same, I tender apology, a sincere apology on their behalf, and I will also talk to them.
Okay, but please, you must wade into this matter. Because if such truancy occurs again, I will be forced to take actions in my own way.
It will not get to that. I promise you.
Okay. I think I can trust you with judgment. Kudos.
Exactly.
Kudos. Exactly. I beg to take my leave. I have some reading to do.
Prof. Hey, these children complain here and there. What can one do?
Oh! Look who we have here! Felicia! Anyone call? So, you both have succeeded in killing that poor innocent woman, huh? Oh, please just stop it! I hate when people try to pretend. Glenda, how could you? Why will you continue to allow yourself to be used by that devilish girl? Just because you want to accomplish her evil mission?
No, Felicia, there are things I don't think. Yes! You can't come into my father's house to shout at me, to call me name. Are you mad or something? Listen and listen very carefully. If you don't want me to lose it or do something stupid, leave this place now. That's my leave.
Oh, did you just ask me to leave your father's house?
Is this your house? No, I'm asking you, you're not begging. Get out. Leave, please, before I do something stupid.
I will leave. Oh, yes, I will. But we shall see. Belinda, we shall see. Until then. I'm sure Felicia is up to something. I need to go and see Nate as possible.
So, why did you bring me here?
Ejike, you need my help.
I need your help. How?
I can help your friend come out from that prison.
You can help my friend come out from prison. As what now? As native doctor now? You want me to start getting scared of you? Listen, if you want to talk rubbish, don't involve my friend Udo again. In fact, get out. Leave. Come on, get out. Get out.
I have some information that can help him come out, if only you will give me listening ears. I have some important information that you will need. Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah, what is it? Tell me.
It all started some months back.
head now. Oh, they might be. I have a plan, eh? I want you to go and look for a very big man that is working with you. Remember the plan now. Remember, when you get him, take him to a gym right. The moment you get there, come down.
Why? The world has ears. Yes, just calm down, whisper to me. Necky! Necky, calm down. They go hear
Let's go, Biko. Please, use your life. Okay. Hey! Okay, you just killed him. You just killed this young man now. Are you mad? Not opportunistic. But you know the one that hit him with this thing. See. If you have killed him, accept that you're a murderer. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. In fact, I'm leaving. Okay, then come back here. You just killed him. Let me just go. Okay, I'll go to the quarter. I can't go to quarter. Okay, you just killed him. Hey, okay, now come back here. Come back here now. Come back. Who is around? Come and see. Okay, just killed him. Okay, has killed him. Okay, has killed him. People come. Hey, okay, you will come back home. The village will look for you. Everybody come and see. Okay, has killed him. Hey, people come and see what Okene has done. She just killed someone. Okene. Hey. Okene. Hey, people come and see what Okene did though. She just killed him.
So Ogene did not kill anyone. Rather, Nneka did. Ejike, this is why you need my help. So you can bring out justice.
This information is very vital. Yes. But why didn't you say this since? Ogene's mother wouldn't have died. Even my friend Udo wouldn't have gone to prison.
Ejike, please, I am sorry. I was afraid of Nneka. That girl is evil.
Alright, please. You have to make this secret. Because those girls, they can deny you. I am sure of that.
Not to worry. I have all the evidences here. Look at this. See?
Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Come with me.
Linda, this one your face is like this. Come and sit down.
No. I don't want to sit at all. I think they are serious. Something is wrong somewhere. There is a problem. Problem what? Felicia is back. And she came to my house and was saying all sorts of rubbish that I can't even fix. Like I don't know. Like I don't even understand what she was saying.
What and what does she say? What rubbish does she say this time? She
said you killed Mama. That you don't have conscience.
Is that all she said?
Listen, Neva. Think this girl knows something. Yes. I'm suspecting something. She knows something. Maybe she knows our plan or something. I don't know. But I'm just saying.
Don't worry. You don't have to be scared. You don't have to be scared at all. Because I did not tell her anything. Or? Did you tell her what?
No way. Why would I do such a thing? Well, I just came to let you know because I was troubled. I'll be on my way now. I was busy at home. Okay?
Please, can't you forgive?
Like this now. Hey, Ujuma. Why did you leave me, Mama? Mama. Please come and save me. No, Ujuma. Ujuma, no. Please stop. You have to stop crying. Mama is gone away. I don't want to lose you, Juma. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Stop crying. You have to. Or do you want me to die? If you don't want me to die, then share hope. If you're like this, definitely I am going to be like this also. Please, can't you forgive?
Neka! Search everywhere, search our way, let's do
Please, can't you forgive?
We knew you were innocent. Okay, now, welcome home. Stop crying, my dear friend. Stop crying. I'm so happy that you are home. At least God has proven to be God.
Yes.
It's okay.
God has proven to be God. But where is my mother? Where is my mother?
God knows why.
Why would God wait? Why would God wait till now before proving my innocence? Where is my mother? I am not sure now offered for something I did not do. God, what is my crime? God, what is my crime? God, what is my crime? Will this judgment bring my brother back? Will this God, what have I done? Why is my life miserable, God? What is my life miserable? I fight for people. I fight for people, God. You should have fought for me. You should have fought for me before my mother died. God, why? God, why? God, why? God, why? Can I imagine? My mother is dead, no. I was saying that I'm innocent. Nobody believed me.
We believed you.
God,
I believed you.
God, why me? God, why me? God, why me? What am I living for? Why me?
Don't cry. God has already fought the battle for you.
Exactly.
Welcome.
Hey!
What? Where did you get this?
I saw her. Decided to record it so we can have proof.
Hey. Listen. Yes, so Ogene has been innocent all this while. And we are treating her like a common criminal. Hey. How wicked can people be? What is it?
You need to see what I just saw now.
What did you see?
I saw Ogene and Odo right in this village.
So, is that why you are running? Like somebody who is being pursued by thieves?
Igwe, I thought you were looking for her.
Yes, I was looking for her. But right now, everybody is looking for you. Neka. So Neka, you killed somebody and made it look as if it was Ogene that killed him. Eh? We are here thinking that Ogene was guilty. We treated her like a common criminal, abused her and humiliated her, not knowing that she was innocent. How wicked can you be, Neka? Eh? Hold on. Like they say, every day is for the thief but one day is for the owner of the house. Neka, your wickedness has finally caught up with you. And I have every reason to believe that this is your end.
I can see you are in a bad mood. Huh? I will go and come back later.
Officers, arrest her immediately.
Young lady, you have every right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in court of law. Move. Move it.
Even you?
Yes, even me. I saw you, Neka. Neka, I saw you. I was there recording you. I saw everything. See, I have evidence.
Please, let's go. Let's go. Don't be so. Don't go.
Neka, your wickedness has caught up with you. You are going to rot in jail. You will rot in jail, Neka.
It's okay, young lady. Please.
Take her away.
It's Satan.
Yes,
Take her away.
Please move.
Have mercy.
Move.
Take her away.
Any nonsense thing, she not the
People can pretend. How wicked can people be? Eh? So this kind of thing has been happening in this community. That everybody knows. It's okay. It's good that the truth finally came out. Now you people can.
She hates injustice. My God, she is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer.
Thank you for helping my friend. I really don't know how to pay you back.
DK, it is supposed to be the other way around. Yes, I am supposed to be the one here saying thank you. Thank you for listening to me. DK, I don't know if this is right to say, but I wish to pay Ogene a visit this evening. But I am scared. I don't know if she will accept me back.
No, you have nothing to worry about. Definitely, she will accept you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure of that. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Udo, very soon, the woman in the bush are going to name you.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, she is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, she is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful.
Welcome, Mama. Welcome. Thank you so much once again. I
Mama,
brought you here so I can introduce you to my family. This is my only sister, Ojoma. This is my friend, my best friend, Ejike. And Odo here is my friend, my lover.
Hey, Mama.
Mama, thank you.
Mama, I am sorry for all the pains you've been through. All these years I've been looking for who to call mother. But not knowing that my mother is living in the forest.
Or the bush.
I don't understand.
Mama, Mama, please don't mind him. Udo, what is wrong with you? What has come over you?
I don't know.
My mother.
Eh?
A first twin brother.
You know this all this while and you never looked for her. Why?
Did you say Ofo?
Yes, ma'am.
It cannot be. It cannot. Our son's twin died same day I gave birth to him. You are not my son.
No, Mama. Udoka, the midwife in this village, took me away immediately I was born and gave me to the great hunter of this village. Who's the wife left him because he couldn't pregnant the wife?
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, man. It's a small world, though.
I still can't believe that the popular witch that is living in the forest is my mother. The woman I hated so much. The woman I even stoned. Hey, this is unbelievable.
Hi. I'm sorry that I kept this from you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
Hey! My son. My son!
Yes, ma'am.
My son!
I am your son.
Hey! Hey, God, thank you. So I have a son all this while. I can now smile again. My son.
Mama.
Come to your mother.
Mama, please don't cry. Thank God it ended with truth. I'm watching.
My son.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Then work somewhere. Any nonsense thing, she not a taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandira. Just because she's bold enough. I'm never wouldn't deal. God is